is Jonna from Spectrum Lighting. Today we are here to discuss our Carli pendants. The Carli pendants are part of our Speclume decorative series. This series is a smaller scale of pendants that are 6 inches in diameter and 8 inches in height. All of these fixtures go up to 2,000 lumens. They come in 3 combinations: the all acrylic with the small aluminum band, the acrylic with a thick aluminum band, and the open with no acrylic and a thick aluminum band. All of our Carli pendants have internal DSP optics. These optics are 90% efficient and distribute the light evenly and look like an A lamp. The Carli series are available in most Spectrum color finishes, as well as our decorative cord selection. The combination of the finishes, the cord selection, and the style of the fixture make for a unique product for specification.
The Carli series has a very nice sample case, not too heavy, and inside it there's one of each series that can be plugged in and demonstrated for your customers. Thank you for working with Spectrum Lighting.